Welcome to Siddhar Secrets YouTube channel. Now we are going to the fourth day Yoga Dandam training program. Before this program, we are training the and special, extraordinary, powerful substitute exercise. What is that? When we are worship in our temples or Siddhas Jiva Samadhis in our home or any place, what you are feeling very powerful, very divineful, very peaceful. But after that, sometimes after that, our prayer, our worship, our meditation, we are feeling uneasy as we are feeling as normal. Is it not? What about that loss of power when we are praying in the worship place? That is the reason if you are having power from your worship or prayer or japa or meditation from the cosmic energy throughout your whole body or by the breathing of air to the whole body, it will came out from our fingers. Yes, from our fingers, our total biomagnetic power will be common. If you want to test it, just you can see, just keep your this finger like that. See here, just rotate like that. Sometimes just okay, then this finger like that and this finger like that, clockwise, anti-clockwise, no problem. And then this finger like that and this finger like that. What is the feeling? Some power, some vibration, some energetic power will be feel here. From the fingers, some powers are attacking this place. Same like that, from this hand, do like that. And this finger, just 3 or 2 times, just rotate. Just simply like a child playing. Not necessary to touch. Without touching like that, some feeling here. 5 fingers, both hands. Every finger has some powers and it came out from some powers from this each finger. Okay, but from these 4 fingers only, some more attractive or more power you have to feel here. Understand? This is 4 fingers. When you are trying this like that, this like that, only this finger, 4 finger, you have to feel some more power so attracting here. Same like that in this hand. Any left or right, no problem. In this left hand also, right hand also, same feeling will be felt by ourselves. So the 4 fingers, when like that, if you are closing like keeping like that, the total body biomagnetic power will be circuit close. See, like that you can keep these 2 fingers, 4 fingers like that, or keep it in your palm like that. So now our power never went out through our body. So it will saved within our body. So we have to try the new exercise to save our total biomagnetic power when or before or after our prayer, japa, meditation. Okay, just keep the 4 fingers. This is the left 4 fingers. The left 4 fingers, the left palm is down. The right 4 fingers is like that. The right palm is like that. So I am sitting as straight, keeping these 2 fingers like that, raising both hands same as simultaneously, just touching with my body. Closing eyes is very much, and closed my eyes. Closing eyes is very much, very slowly, very slowly. When you are doing like that, see, both 4 fingers are held here. It is very fast. and then it rise like that. See, very slowly, very slowly. This is level, and then extra up, 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 up. See, the both hands are straightly. The wrist is inside. Same like that, the wrist is inside. The both hands, fingers are like that. The only 4 fingers are like that. Like a mandir ka tower. Gopuram, Raja Gopuram. Temple ka mandir ka gopura. Like that. See, up, up, up. If after sometimes you can tilt down as very slowly the cosmic energy will be through our top of the head, whole body. We are feeling the cosmic energy. Very, very, very nice, very smooth and soft. Nothing to words to explain what happened to me at this time. Okay. Now I am trying the next type, this right 4 fingers. First left 4 fingers and then next right 4 fingers, like that. Again slowly I am raising both hands, but this time right finger as like that, right palm in as down. Closed my eyes. See, my eyes are closed. See, the both hands are coming as same. First I kept here, it is very masked, and then raise it like that. The 2 4 fingers are coming like that. This is the level, and then up, 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 up. After some time, just tilt down very slowly, very slowly. This is the must place you can place the 4 fingers. It is very must. Don't forget to place. Some persons are coming like that. No, you can must place here before and after when you rise and down. Okay. Touching the body as the 4 fingers is very must. The whole energy of the cosmic power is coming as very closely, very smoothly, very softly, very silently. There is no explanation to words by words. No. You can enjoy, you can resonate, you can experience yourself only. Even a 3-year-old child will be able to do this exercise. It is including all pranayama, kundalini yoga and breathing exercise and some extraordinary power of the Siddha secrets, our ancient Siddha secrets. So now we are trying this good exercise. Even a 3-year child, if you are Hindu or Islam or Christian or faith in God or not, educated, uneducated, rich, poor, adult, child, no, ladies, gents, every time you have to do this exercise, just suddenly you will be experience this powerful. So you can try whatever time. Our exercises are only penance. Penance means you have to do 24 hours lifelong. 365 days. So wherever possible, wherever your time is, you can do. If you do this exercise as 21 minutes, as but not the time is not particularly 21 minutes, you can go slowly from down to up, minimum 10 minutes, and the up to down is 10 minutes, that is 21 minutes and meditation ka time. Okay, if you do any exercise hour, u, e, o, a,